At Regal Research, precision manufacturing is just the beginning.
When you partner with us, you gain more than just a contract manufacturer. You gain a team committed to your success from the first conversation to the final delivery.
Here's what to expect throughout our partnership.
Customer service you can depend on. At Regal, we believe communication is a critical component in precision manufacturing. As we work with you, you can expect fast, responsive communication from our friendly and attentive customer service team members.
During the quoting phase, we look at how best to approach your project's engineering from a cost reduction standpoint to ensure we deliver the highest quality to you at the best price possible. Additionally, we not only look in depth at project costs, but often go above and beyond when it comes to analyzing your project's design, enhancing and elevating its form by offering design revisions for manufacturability, material suggestions, creative tooling design, quality improvement, and drawing package support. We also utilize the industry's best CAD systems to support your needs, allowing us to accept your engineering data directly without translation. We always make it a point to lend our over 45 years of manufacturing expertise to the conceptual phase of your project's development.
We have daily meetings, department check-ins, and host a Gemba walk to ensure we have the most current information regarding your project status. Our approach to meetings is focused on sourcing solutions, not identifying problems. Thanks to our well-structured systems and streamlined operations, potential issues are identified early at the department level. This proactive framework ensures that by the time we meet, the problem is already defined and ready to be addressed. Anytime we receive an update on a project status, you can expect one of your project coordinators to reach out and deliver the update. As an AS 9100 and ISO 9001 certified company trusted across industries for reliability and precision, we do not take shortcuts when it comes to quality. Total customer satisfaction is at the core of everything we do. And our quality department keeps a watchful eye on your project, monitoring quality throughout every interval of production, ensuring everything we produce for you is up to the highest standards and specs.
We work hard to ensure a project's life cycle is smooth and seamless. If a problem does arise, we thoroughly address it, leaning on strong department leadership to get you the right answers and ensure the right solution is implemented to address the problem in its entirety. After project completion, we carefully store, catalog, package, and deliver your finalized fabrication with the same efficiency and quality we engineer in our manufacturing. With over 50,000 square feet of packaging and warehousing space, custom labeling, and fluid freight pickup coordination, we ensure that no matter your packaging needs, your project reaches its final destination on time and in its perfect form.
At Regal Research, we don't just manufacture parts, we build lasting partnerships.
Our commitment goes beyond just shaping quality products. It's about delivering our very best to you every time. Welcome. We look forward to working with you.